Understood. But anyways, between me and you think you like it better like over the music?
So yeah, I know. Yeah, Sean Cartel.
Come on now. You can't want to compare me to the teachers there, you know? I want nobody feel like me I copy them. Sean do Sean. You see it?
Alright, Josh Sean. Wait, you ever think about username there? Josh Sean?
Just Sean. You know what? Just leave the name in part of me. Me figure something out.
Alright. So, anything new?
Can I say that this? I have some things alright. Can go on.
I just want to open none of the chopper song them or the skin out song them and the killer song them.
You mean by you see them song there in the place of yeah, them two them are right now, ready for drop them like bam. What with that man? You know a little joke man. Right now, I work on some more conscious song, some motivational. But you know, you have to get the people them what they want over time and things. Right now, I'm going to hold it off, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah man, do that. Cause where you there right now, you have to have a pretty conscious song. And you can write like a gospel song, you know, like Randall Positive. You can name Sean Positive. Oh, that sound.
A joke can make right?
Gotcha.
Good one, sis. So, the studio link where that try get for me. What going fit?
The producer in Gampan tour. So I have to try get somebody will link with the agency.
Yeah, only if you could have speed it up because I want to get them songs into my system. I do a whole heap of writing and I want to chop a song and thing, you see?
Alright. I'm going to see who else I can talk to. You get your phone 3 times a week, right?
Yeah.
You can just voice note them and send them to me.
No, like, send out unfinished work. Like, get the job done and then do my thing, you see?
Sean, me and sister, you can send them to me and make me listen to them. And you say you want to get them out, you know? And that's one way.
Alright. Can't work with that. For now.
Alright. My time is up. But your mother want to visit you. You ready for that?
Yeah. Feel like we're ready. Only that we'll get closer. Talk it out.
That is exactly what I expect you to say.
What the rest is?
Open!
I mean bleaching skin. So you tell me say in white and I want to see my by office.
Yep.
Sonia, how you get bleaching things put on them face up a when there?
The prisoner them didn't look hustling. But the guy them up there, them not gonna say no.
So him gone to prison, gonna take up a next dirty habit and gonna follow.
Well, when he give me the reason why he do it, I'm not gonna lie, he touched me.
Him always have a reason. So, what the reason here now?
Marine, listen. He thinks in complexion are the reason why people not accept him for who he is. And are the same way he feel about you.
Me? Me not accept him? Hello, I'm me Bartender. Me black, him father black. Me not understand, me confused.
Him say people see him as the dirty black Sean in our past. So him decide to change him complexion to start a new life.
So, him thinks that if him bleach him skin, it's gonna make him change? Change him complexion and gonna make him different?
At the same time I said to him, but we still have to understand where him a go through because him a go through a whole heap. So I have to be patient with him.
So, other than that, how him look? Am I right? Am I eat?
Well, apart from fact say him browner than me, him look good and him energy change and him look more happy. I even feel good on myself when Sean tell me say him love me.
Wait, Sean tell the same love you?
Well, not only that, him say him ready to see you. So you can go visit him.
Really? Him want to see me? Him ask you, say him want to see me?
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus.
I'm happy for you too, when you see.
Well, I prefer the 2 hours too. But, anyway, the food there you have to involve in. The kitchen hot. Come back when I live in room. Let's go. So, Tony, what about with the music thing? What am supposed to do?
The producer, I'm gone on tour, so you have to go seek somebody else.
Then, no whole heap of producer what the man you can talk to.
Maureen, it can't just be any producer. It have to be a producer will link with the agency. And the privilege what we are given, we're not supposed to do it.
Oh, I see. Cause, I wonder, him send me happy birthday message and him in a lock up.
Because he might get special privilege and we can't make nobody know. I'm my brother, so I'm going to do it for him.
Boy, him lucky if you have a sister like you. Hey, by the way, my secret agent. You tell Karim it?
Well, I'm not tell him. Him find out.
Find out? Then, how he find out?
Me and Karim did a walk. And while you did a stare upon me. So him come over and grab my hand in front of Karim. Karim back out his knife and he would reach for him firearm.
What? What you say? What you say to me? So, what happened? Talk.
That's how me reach in. I take out my handcuff and I brandish my weapon.